he was doing that, she'd be having me dying. And when he goes like this to Norma, he grabs her gobble, right, Norma? He'd be doing that shit to her. She'd be having me dying.
That shit is hilarious.
Do your English, old English voice.
Oh yes, why not? I came here from from England. And then
She said New York.
We was in Britain.
I was on the down
We was in
Titanic.
Britain.
And I was the only survivor, yes. Yes, I'm
No, you're not the only
Oh my
survivor.
God! I am a survivor. Bloody hell, all these damn citizens here of America. Yes, I did bomb that Pentagon. Yes, I did bomb the World Trade Center.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
yeah, right.
How will you do that? Don't you know that your daughter kicked my dog?
I'm trying to take over your damn business, you fool, you damn Hindi fool.
No, you cannot do that to me. Don't you see that I already read? I already read in my country.
Damn it! Speak English.
I am speaking English, you fucking bastard.
Right. Oh, I got that from American citizens, my bad. And I learned about yo-yo and what the dealio.
And what's popping? Do you have some butter for my butter?
What are your views on Harry Potter?
Harry Potter,
Harry
he
Potter.
died a long time ago.
Harry Potter is a little bloody bastard. They should have died a long time ago before they made part 7 or 8.
Exactly.
or
You know what I'm in the mood right now, so
What?
a cup of tea, would you like some?
Oh, it
You
would
bitches
be
should kiss each other.
It would be so delightful.
What a
Do you
slap.
have some crackers and some cheese?
Oh, why not? Yes, I do. Some wheat.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Exactly, I know. And some lasagna right there in my refrigerator. No, really mine. That's my cousin.
She said,
Yo, we used to do this shit for hours.
okay, are we done?
Recording